the thing you need to think about is the fact that you won't need to look at the chart too much. What's up traders, welcome back to Da Nang in Vietnam. Today I want to share with you a simple tip. If you want to become a daily chart trader, which means that you'll only look for trades on the daily chart, that's going to be helpful. And I've not traded myself the daily chart very long and very often, only when I had a full-time job. And that was a way that worked well for me in the past. Now these days I kind of changed my style to fit more my lifestyle and the way I see the market move. But if you only want to go on the daily chart, you can still do it. The only thing is that people going on trading a daily chart see this as tough because they are not going to take setup all the time. They might take a setup or two a week, or some weeks they might not even trade, and that might be a problem sometimes. So what you want to do here is that you want to use a bigger picture view of the market. You want to be able to take trades in certain conditions in the market, and over time develop multiple setups that you're going to trade in the market. So instead of having only one setup in the market that you look for, have multiple and work on different things. And the way you're going to do this is by looking at the market phase, so how the market behaves. And for example, you have two strategies. So one is for a range market, when it's going in a range, a reversal strategy, and the other one is going to be for a breakout. So you kind of trade two things. And you can even go trading three things, which is you trade the reversals, you trade the breakouts, and you trade the pullbacks in the market. And that will allow you, if you have like three setups of these, to trade in any condition pretty much and take more trades. And it's gonna make you follow less pairs, so kind of less things to jump between, but know the pairs better that you trade, and that's gonna be pretty helpful. So if you're just starting out right now and you want to trade the daily chart or even the weekly chart, just pick the things that you want to trade in the market, the phase you want to be able to trade, and then develop setup for each. And understand that the first thing you have to do when you show up at the chart is to identify those phases first. That's going to be your first job. Look at all of them. Where the market is on this pair, where the market is on this pair, and identify the phase. And then decide what you're going to trade on that phase based on your setup you've developed and based on things that you know worked. That's exactly how I used to do it myself in the past, with two setups for two different market phases, reversals and breakouts. The same thing I use now for reversals, but I had a breakout strategy which I don't use now anymore, but it still works really well. I'll put the link below for that if you want to check it out. It's a simple video on YouTube you can watch and learn from and apply it if you want. But that's pretty much it, a simple tip, and I hope it's going to be useful for you guys. Don't forget that if you decide to trade on a daily chart, the thing you need to think about is the fact that you won't need to look at the chart too much. Like, it's a daily chart trade, which means that you don't have to look at it throughout the day. You don't have to look at it like every day even. You might have to wait a couple of days to look at it, or look at it like at maximum once a day. And that means that you're going to spend your time on other things. If you always look at the chart and you don't do this, then think about why you're doing it and whether that's really a good fit for you, or try to kind of force yourself to go away and not come back there every day to look at the chart. So those are simple tips, guys. I hope this was useful. Comment below with your thoughts. As always, I want to hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. Here are a few comments to pass you. I appreciate you guys always for leaving comments in the comment section. Subscribe if it's not done yet. There's one more video like this every single day. And I'll catch you back here in Da Nang tomorrow. Ciao.